channel. So today's video is about the first impressions regarding this particular product which I got from Dot & Key. Now Dot & Key is a Calcutta based brand. It's a skincare brand, I would say, and they have really amazing stuff, really cool stuff which no other brands have thought about, and they are really innovative. So I wanted to try their particular product, so I wanted to get my hands on the particular chemical exfoliant, that is the Hydro Peel. So this is the Hydro Peel Glow Potion. This has 10% AHA and 2% BHA. This is an exfoliating serum. So today only I got this particular product delivered, and it's around 1095 rupees. I got a coupon code because I was a first time user, and I got 10% off. It was around 985 bucks, but yeah, it's a bit costly, I would say. But then whether it's really worth it or not, I don't know. I'll be using it with you guys, and then I'll decide whether it's a hit or a miss. And the first thing I noticed about this particular product is the packaging. The packaging is really cute. If you see right here, this is a really cute packaging. This is like a lavender color box. So I'll be opening this with you guys, and let's see. Okay, so this is the particular product. I'm just going to take it out. Okay, this is also like a purpley kind of product. It has around 30 ml of it, and it has grapefruit and borage flower. So this is really good, and this looks really cute to me. I don't know why. It's really it looks like the Farsali unicorn essence, like that color. So let's try it out. Okay, so along with this particular product, I also got this thing right here. This is, I don't know it's focusing or not. So this is Dot & Key Skincare Underarm Detox Color and Correction Mask. So this is a tiny kind of a product I got. This is a sample for me to try out, and if this really works, I'll again buy the new one, the bigger size one, the actual one. So they were really kind enough to send me a sample. It's not focusing at all. So anyway, so this is it, and it's good. I got a free product. I'm happy. And before beginning the video, I would just like to take a minute of you guys and tell you guys to subscribe to my channel. Those of you all who don't know me, hi, I'm Upasna, and I'm just starting my YouTube journey to make contents and videos, and I like making videos. So if you guys really like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Alright guys, so I just washed my face, and here it says that you have to apply it up to twice a week after cleansing and toning. So I already cleansed my face. I have nothing on my face, and now I'll go on with the toner. So I'm using the Biotique Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. This is like Chotusa, and this has like this much left. I have already finished it totally, and this is the toner. So I'm going to use it right now, and I'm going to just take a few drops, and I'm just going to swipe it across my face. And my neck. So I just thought I washed my face, but then if you can see, I don't know, it has some amount of dirt. So my face is all squeaky clean right now, and I have already tied my hair a bit back so that I can easily apply this without any hindrance. So I'm going to just take this particular thing right here, and I'm just going to read what it says in the directions. And it says you have to apply only 2 to 3 drops and apply to face and neck, avoiding the lower lash line and the eyelids, and rinse off with cold water after 10 minutes. So I'm just going to do that, and let's inaugurate this together. So put aside all my hair thing. And yeah, so this is the dropper. This is really cute, and it looks like very cute. I don't know. So I'm just going to squeeze in some drops. One, two, three. Three drops, more than enough for my face. So that is about, I'm just removing my ring also. So that is about this much of the product. It's not slipping away, so it's good. I'll just apply it generously. It smells so good, guys. It smells so like fruit kind of thing. I'm applying it all over my face and neck and on my nose, here, a bit on my forehead, and yeah. So my skin is kind of glowing because of this particular product, and it smells divine. So I'm just going to give it a 10 minutes rest, and then I'll be back with the update. So yeah, just waiting for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been like 10 minutes, so I'll just quickly go and wash it off because it's a chemical exfoliant. I don't want to risk an extra minute, so I'll just be back. Okay guys, I just washed off that particular hydro peel right here, and I won't lie, because like my skin feels baby soft. I would say it feels so good. And also a matter of fact that when I applied that particular thing on my face, it kind of was stinging a bit, and I think it's just the particular fact that it's a chemical exfoliant, so it was like stinging a bit. I was a bit scared because if it reacts and I'll be like boom, I'm shattered. So I already have one pimple which is about to go. It's here. So yeah, my skin feels baby soft, and I really like this product. I would highly recommend you guys to use this particular product because this is a gem, I would say. This is my first chemical hydro peel kind of a thing which has AHA as well as BHA, and it has 10% AHA plus 2% BHA. So, and the particular thing I loved about this product is its fragrance. I love the smell, and I was, as you can see in the video, I was just smelling my hands also, like it was so good. So I highly recommend this particular product, this tiny bottle right here. I know it's really costly and it's kind of on the higher side, but then if you anytime see a discount going on Nykaa, or yeah, there's a sale going on Myntra, but then I search for this product right there, but it's not there, and it's really sad because they are giving like 20-25% off on Dot & Key products. But then I highly recommend this particular baby right here. And yeah, if you want to save up and want to purchase some chemical peel or exfoliant, then do go for this particular product. It will not disappoint you because I love my skin right now. And yeah, that's about it. And I really hope you like this video. I really hope you liked this particular video of mine, and if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.